I'm so in love with the turn. No, I cannot do a decor all without showing you a coffee table book. So I got this book from Amazon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your visit. So I am currently making over my living room and I cannot wait to show you guys the final results. But before I do so, I wanted to show you guys some of the items that I picked up for the makeover, and also show you guys how I revamped some of my thrift store items for this makeover as well. So let's get started to see what I picked up and also what I revamped for this makeover. So let's get started. So I wanted some olive branches for some of my vases in my living room, so I went ahead on Amazon and I picked up these olive branches, and they were a set of 10, but the only problem is they came a little crushed. But I saw someone here on YouTube use a steamer and steam the leaves and they came out perfect. So I think that's what I'm about to do to get that fluffy look. So that's what I'm about to do, and I love the length of these. So I love this. And I also picked up this coffee table book. You know I cannot do a decor all without showing you a coffee table book. So I got this book from Amazon, and it is the Simplicity book right here, and I'm so in love with this book. It's the perfect size, and the best part of it is the edge of the leaves are black, or it's like a dark gray, but the colors are the perfect style for my living room. So I'm glad I picked this one up. I also, while I'm on Amazon, I also picked up a book, but it's not, I didn't pick it up for my living room decor, but I picked this book up. It could be if I wanted to. It's this book. It is done by Nikki Boy, a YouTube content creator, and her channel is At Home with Nikki. I love her channel. I've been watching her channel for years. So I decided I just want to go ahead and purchase the book, and it is called Beautiful Organized, and this book tells you how to make your home functional and organized. So I'm happy I picked this book up. I started reading through it and I love every bit of it. So if you want to make your home functional with some guidance, get this book. I really love it. So that's all, and it's not expensive at all. So this is another purchase from Amazon. So that's all I got from Amazon. Moving on to Hobby Lobby. So I went into Hobby Lobby because I wanted some canvas. I have an accent wall now, but it was looking too blank. I wanted something on there, so I went into Hobby Lobby to get some canvases. I found these, but right now I'm torn between a canvas or should I do picture frame. You'll see in the next video where I show the reveal of the living room if I use the canvas or I use the picture frames. But so I picked these canvases up. There are a set of 2 in each pack, and they were only $4.99, and they're the 11 by 14 canvases. I was planning to do some textured wall art. I'm not sure. I honestly don't know if I'm going to use these or the picture frames that I got from IKEA, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, if I'm gonna use these or the picture frames. But these were only $4.99, and I picked up 3 of them. And I also picked up from Hobby Lobby these olive branches as well. I love these. The only thing they're more pricier than the one on Amazon is these were 50% off, but they were $9.99, but I only paid $5, but they only had 3 branches. So I mean, it looked realistic. It looked really nice. So what I'm planning to do, I'm going to mix this with the ones I got from Amazon to kind of give it a more dimension. I picked up these rose branches as well too. These were a little pricey. I just realized that they were $5.99 each, but these were on sale, so I did pick up 6. I picked up 6 of these, but I definitely think I might return these because I love the olive branch better onto what I want to do. The olive branches look way better than these, so I'm definitely going to return these, but I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. So these are going back, but I did pick up 6 of these, so but these are going back. Then I picked up these garland right here. Yes, I'm late on the bandwagon for garland. I know, but I just didn't want to buy it full price. So when I went in, I realized that they were on sale. I was like, oh yeah, I'll get it. And it was $17.99, so I literally paid like $8.90 something cents or 99 cents for this right here. So I'm so happy. The only thing I don't like about it is the toss, but it's okay. But I love the natural color to it. I really do. So I love that. So that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby becoming one of my favorite stores. Honestly, they're becoming one of my favorite stores. You cannot do a makeover without not stopping at HomeGoods. Now when I started doing the makeover, I had an area rug, but I realized that that rug doesn't fit the style no more. So I put that rug in the basement and I went to HomeGoods and I picked up another rug. Now my husband, even myself, I don't know how I feel about it yet, but it's here and I'm trying to work around it and see if it will look good once I finish everything. If not, I'll just do an exchange or purchase a different one, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. But for right now, this is how it looks. I kind of like it. It's just that it's not pulling out the color gray that I want. That I want it, because my sofa has this dark gray, but the rug is like a beige gray. So it's more beige than gray, which is fine, but it's just not drawn to me yet. I don't know if it's because I had the old one, why, you know, but we'll figure it out. But while I was picking up the rug, I also picked up some decorative pillows as well, and these are the pillows. They are down filled, which I love, and these are so gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the texture of these pillows, because I bought it just in case. I was like, maybe I could put it with my sofa, but no, it's not gonna go right. So this one, these two will definitely be going into my bedroom. I love the color and they're so soft. So yeah, definitely will be going in my bedroom. And these were $19.99 each, but these one, I don't know yet. It's a set of 2, but I pulled it out already. It's a set of 2, and these are also downfill. Let me see. They're also downfill, and they got able to chop. But this one is like a suede. It matches the suede on my current sofa cushion, but I don't know yet. I really purchased it because of the rug, so I could pull that color from the rug to my sofa, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll see. But I love this color. It's like a grayish beige, and I really like it. I really do. It's just that if I don't keep the rug, then I cannot keep this because it does not match anything else. And I was trying to do more of a white cushion, so we'll see how it works out. For the pair, I paid $24.99 for it. And I also picked up another coffee table book at HomeGoods. I really didn't need it, but it was on sale for $18 and I was not gonna pass on it. So it's this beautiful coffee table book. It says Natural Elegance, and it was on sale, and I love the pattern. And it's like a mountain. It's a luxurious mountain living. I love it. And also, if you want, I could take the covering off, and it gives me this fall color to it. You see, that color is so gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, so I like that. So that's all I picked up for this makeover. So let's get into the part where I revamped my thrift store items for this makeover. So the first one I want to show you is this beautiful vessel that I DIY. Now I got this from the thrift store. It was red. I'll show a picture of it before I started my DIY. I got this in a red and brown color, but I wanted to do the baking soda and acrylic paint textured look, but that didn't work out for me. So I went ahead and I spray painted it white, and I left it to sit for overnight, and then when I got back from work the next day, I spray painted it in black. Now I saw Pottery Barn, they have a vessel similar with the black and the white peeking through, so I was like, let me try, see if I'm able to do that. So I went ahead and I have spray painted it black, let it sit. I just used a sandpaper, I think it's a 120 grit sandpaper or 220, I think it's a 220 grit sandpaper, and I just went ahead and I started sanding down the vessel. I've sanded it all over, so now you're able to see that the white start peeking through. Then I went ahead and spray some clear satin finish on it, and this is the final result. This is how it looks, and I'm so in love with the turnout. It reminds me of the Pottery Barn vessel that they have in stock right now, but I created my own, so I'm so in love with this. So this is, let the fun part begins. So I went into my garage and I got my little stash. I picked out the ones that I wanted for this makeover. I set up my little spray station, and then I start spray painting everything white. I used the Rust-Oleum satin white. Now you could use the flat white if you like, if you're gonna do something like this. It's perfectly fine, but I prefer the satin white over the flat white. So I went ahead and I sprayed all the vessels or all the vases white, and then I let them sit there for a couple hours and dry. Now I wanted some accent color from two of the vases, so I picked the ones that I want, and then I went ahead and I start spray painting those with the charcoal gray from Rust-Oleum, but it's the chalk paint type, and I love the turnout of this color. I just spray painted those and I let them sit there for a couple hours. I did not touch them or anything, and then I moved on to this chain link that I picked up at the thrift store. It had a fork at one end and a spoon at one end, so I just cut off both, and then I went ahead and sanded down the chain link. Now the reason why I sanded it down, because the spray away from the spray paint, that's the only thing I don't like with spray paint. It goes everywhere, but that's okay. I went ahead and I sanded it down, and then once I'm done, I spray painted it with a clear satin finish, and I'm so in love with the outcomes of all the pieces that I did. Now here is the final results, guys. Look at this gorgeousness. I hope you love it. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So guys, that's all I have to show you in this video. I hope you saw something or learned something from this video, and I really appreciate you here. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to comment down below, press that like button, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Love you guys. Mwah.